Hey Layla, hey Carrie, happy Memorial Day. I spent mine working. I've been at work since 10 o'clock and I just got home now and it's 6 o'clock. And I don't feel like changing. So I'm going to be doing this video in my Brewster's uniform. Carrie, I would like to see you do your video in your Cookie Fairy costume. And I hope it has wings. So I had a pretty fun weekend. On Saturday, my friend invited me to go biking with her through Lumps Pond, which is the Delaware State Park, just right across the street from where I used to live. So I managed to get off work, and I love biking too. So biking through any park would have been fun. But I managed to get off work, and I drove down with her and took her on a little tour through my old neighborhood, and then we went on this really epic bike ride where we got lost. Well, we were lost the whole way, and it was narrow paths, lots of tree roots, and a lot of mud. I fell right into some mud, and my shoes got disgusting, and my bike is covered. But it was still a lot of fun. But I had to leave the biking trip early because my mom and I had tickets to go see an amateur production of Rent in Media, PA. And something really interesting / annoying happened during the show. During Today for You, well, okay, forget the fact that my mom had no clue what was going on in the show. She just didn't get it, I could tell. I was talking to her afterwards and it just didn't click. Usually doesn't. But we're watching Today for You, and she leans over to me in the middle of the song, obviously not paying attention to the show that's going on in front of her, and says, "Do you think he's actually gay?" I was like, "I don't know." She's like, well, do you think he is?" I just turned to her, I'm like, why should it matter? So, I'd wonder when I was watching the movie Rent for the first time if Wilson Faint Hardy was gay. But that was after the fact. It wasn't during the show or the movie. I'm thinking, I wonder if this guy is actually gay. And letting that distract me from the show and completely take over my thoughts to the point where I have to share them with someone else in the middle of the song. And so, is that a generational thing, maybe? Is that because of the way she was brought up in Hicksville, Western PA? Or is it an age thing? I don't know. What do you guys think? I thought it was really annoying that this was all she was caring about. And she probably didn't care about the rest of the show just because the whole time she's thinking, oh my god, there are gay characters on stage. Even afterwards on the way home, she was like, oh yeah, those theater people, they have no problem with girls kissing girls and all that kind of stuff. I'm like, well, why is this bothering you so much? Because for me, gay, straight, it's all the same exact thing. And I don't have a reason to separate the two and be like, oh, girls kissing girls, scandalous. You know, it's just her character. Okay, well, the way she did it was a little over-sexual because that's just the way this amateur theater production did it, and it didn't work well. But I can get into that another time. But yeah, so why do you think that this is upset that the sexuality of the actors playing this role is of such importance to my mom, but not to me? Sorry I'm talking so quietly. The rest of my family's home, and I don't want them to hear me in here ranting about my mother. But yeah, since I don't have any other video to reference, I guess I'll just stop here. Layla, I've been talking to you some on the internet. I know you're actually alive. Yay. Maybe see you Wednesday. Carrie, you didn't post a video Friday, and you haven't been responding to my texts. Are you okay? Will I see you Friday? Well, yeah, I'll end it here, and see somebody sometime.